Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Wijayanti. I'm from the third semester of English Education Study Program at STKIP PGRI Lubuk Linggau. Okay, on the session, I will explain what is the degree of comparison to meet the final exam by my lecturer, Miss Ardayanti, MPD. Now, I will show you what is a comparison. An adjective of a quality change is from when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. Now, there are three degrees of comparison. The first, the positive degree. The second, the comparative degree. And the third, the superlative degree. And now, I will explain about the positive degree. Okay, now the positive degree is used to refer one object, person, or place without making any comparison. For example, he has a big television. So the comparative degree is the refers to greatest degree of the adjective as common to the positive degree. So it is used to compare two objects, people, or place. For example, his house is bigger than my house. Now the superlative degree is the refers to the greatest degree of adjective. So it is used to compare more than two objects, people, or place. Okay, now I will show you to remember the following rule about the degree of comparison. We added ER and EIST the most one or two syllable word that end in a consonant is the positive big and the comparative bigger and the superlative biggest. Now when the positive ends in E, we add only R and ST to the adjective. For example, the positive lar, the comparative longest, the superlative longest. So, when the positive end in a consonant Y, we drop the Y, and it's EIR and EIST. For example, friendly, friendlier, friendless. Now, so if when the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus a consonant, we double the ending of the consonant, and then it's ER and EIST. For example, the positive all, the comparative older, and the superlative oldest. Now, the last rule, when the positive is long a word of two or more syllables, we add more and mores. Before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degree, for example, the positive carefully, the comparative more carefully, and superlative most carefully. Now, I have 5 questions and I will explain my answer. Okay, now the first question. We don't like Anjar. He is as blah 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 as his brother. A. Naughty. B. Naughtier. C. Most naughty. And D. More naughty. Because the sentence above used the marker as is, the most appropriate answer is A. Naughty. The question number 2. The route in the blah 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 in the town. A. Most narrow. B. Narrower. C. Narrow. And D. Narrowest. The best answer D. Narrowest. Because the word narrow consists of one syllable. It is simple, and then to the word EIST, so the word narrow becomes narrowest. Question number 3. Best answer of the question 3, B. Small. Why I choose the best answer B. Small? Because if we are making comprehension with us, we don't need to add the affix behind the word. Because the comparative and superlative degree followed by the word then. And at the end, like a beautiful, the word is defined into 3 syllables, namely beauty and full. Well, in this word, we cannot use the word er, but we can use the word more in front of the word to be more beautiful. So the last question, my father, blah blah blah, handsome than your father. A is, B are, C as, and D more. Because in the level of comparison adjective with one syllables and with the suffix er and eist, an adjective with two or more syllables ending with more and most. Okay, I think that's all my explanation about the comparison degree, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.